Hey YouTube, Shay here. Thank you for stopping by my channel, Shay Love Hair, here with another crochet video. This video was requested by Live 2523. Thank you for requesting this video. Thank you for watching. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe. We have some big things coming in 2010. Did I say 2010? I did. We have some big things coming in 2019. All right, so before I get into the video, I just want to I guess correct one thing or update one thing. In the video I'm about to show you, what I did was I walked around for about 5 days, you guys. This is all in love because I want to make sure I gave y'all the real on the refresh video for the Kima Ocean Wave hair. So what I did was I put my hair in a low, like ponytail, bun, thingy-majiggy. I didn't do anything I was supposed to do as far as shower caps, satin pillowcases, bonnets, all that stuff you're supposed to do. The nighttime routine, which I will have a video coming out for that. But all of that I didn't do, which is kind of the norm for me. If you know me, I don't really do none of that. Do as I say, not as I do. Anyway, so I just lived basically with the Kima Ocean Wave hair for about 5 days. Let it get, you know, at the worst it could get for 5 days. And then I refreshed it. So Saturday morning I got up, recorded, refreshing it and bringing it back to life so that you guys could get the real on, you know, how to do it. So in the video, in order to moisturize my scalp, I actually used a spray bottle, which is fine. You can use a spray bottle if that's what you have. A spray bottle with the olive oil and some warm water in it. And that was just how I kind of just went in between my parts. And you'll see, I went in between my parts and I just kind of sprayed my scalp. However, I could not find my bottle like this. I know it's ghetto, y'all. Whatever, it works. You can get this at like Walmart for like $1, I think, in the kitchen section. And it just helps like get in the cornrows real good. I mean, they have stuff like this made for hair, but I want to say it's like $2 and $3. You know, I paid $1 for this to work just fine. Just to put some olive oil in here and just kind of go throughout my scalp with this. It's a little bit easier. So if you want to purchase this or if you have one of these, this will work better than the spray bottle, but the spray bottle is fine. You can use that if that's what you have. Anyway, I'm not gonna keep talking. I just wanted to let you guys know what was going on with that. And, you know, if you wanted to substitute one for the other, that's fine. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into this video, ladies. Thank you for watching. All right, so let's get it started. So the things I'm going to use a brush. Now that's a tangle teaser. You can use that if you have it. If not, you can use a regular paddle brush. Also, you're going to need some clips to separate your hair, or you can use rubber bands. You're going to need olive oil, and you're going to need a spray bottle with some water in it. So as you can see, my hair, it has been up in like this ponytail slash bun thing for like a week, and where you can still see the definition of the hair, but it is so tangled and matted, like you can't tell by looking. But if you can see like how hard I'm having to pull to separate the hair, like it moves as a unit, like there's no individual curls at all. It's just like one big thing. So first thing I'm doing is saturating the hair. There's a little bit of olive oil in there along with some water. I'm just spraying the hair, getting it really good and saturated. And it was so tangled right there, I ended up splitting it in half because it was really rough. And then I was gonna go on with the tangle teaser because that helps. If you want more information on the tangle teaser, I got that from Ulta. You can also order it online. They have a whole website just for that. And it only cost me, well, it only cost me like $3, but I think the regular price is like $11. So you can use that or the paddle brush. So all I'm doing here is detangling the hair. Once it's saturated, I'm starting at the ends and working my way up. You want to make sure to be careful not to comb your knots. You don't want to mess those up. Those always want to stay as neat as possible when you're working with Kima Ocean Wave hair. So yeah, I'm going to let you watch it. And I'll come in a little bit when we get to the next step. So this is the part that I was telling you about earlier in the intro, where you can use a spray bottle if you want to, or you can use the squeeze bottle that I showed you to go in the parts and in the cornrows, and just to make sure that your scalp and your hair is good and moisturized as well. You want to make sure you're taking care of your hair underneath the crochet. That's very important, and that is what basically defines the protective style. You don't want to leave your hair just to dry out and break while you're wearing crochet, because then you're just wearing weave and you're not protecting your hair basically. Then after that, I'm getting some olive oil on my hands, rubbing in, and just rubbing it through the hair, making sure to distribute it evenly. I even go back through the brush and brush the hair just to make sure that the olive oil is getting everywhere, all over the hair. Here I'm just gathering the hair so I can look at the ends and see you have some little stragglies that I'll have to clip away. And if you feel any dryness anywhere, just go back with the olive oil and distribute more. That's it. Okay, so that was it. That's all I did to refresh my Kima Ocean Wave hair. You see it brought it right back to life. And actually, if I would have gave it about 10 more minutes, it would have curled up a bit more, as you can see. Now this, I've had it in a ponytail when I went to church. But as you can see, the curls do come back even after brushing it. So you don't have to worry about that. But like I said, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. So if you don't want to have to do that, in depth, like you don't want to give it the full 5 days, and that's not what I usually do. I don't not touch my hair for 5 days. When I put this hair in, I know it's high maintenance. I know I'm going to have to get up and do something to maintain it. So I'm already mentally prepared to have to deal with it. So if you're in that same mindset, all I do in the morning, I get up, I use my spray bottle with a little bit of olive oil and some water, and I just kind of spray the hair, kind of go through in the back and just separate it if it needs to be. Like I said, I did this today, Sunday. I refreshed it. The video you just watched yesterday. So as you can see, it's still not tangled or anything right now. But every day I get up, spray it, and just make sure that there's no kind of catches or anything anywhere, and just kind of separate the hair. And that usually helps to maintain it. If you do that every day, then you shouldn't really have to refresh it. And if you just want that extra because you're finna go somewhere, or whatever, or you want to moisturize it for whatever reason, you shouldn't have to do it except maybe every other week or so. But like I said, the refresh video that you just watched, that's if you don't plan on touching the hair, you just want to wear it and go, but you want to maintain it as little as you have to, then I would do that routine like once a week, something like that, just to make sure. I mean, you could probably push it to 2 weeks if you want to. I guess it just depends on the length of the hair and what you got going on and how you sleep and all that stuff. Anyway, so as you can see, it brought it back to life. It's popping. It's popping. If you have any questions, hit me in the comment box or inbox me as you guys usually do. Please join us on Facebook at our Facebook group, We Love Hair. We have a lot of fun in that group. And also, please follow me on Instagram. That's Shay Love Hair. Please make sure that you're subscribed and also hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any videos. Thank you guys for watching. I love you so much. Thanks for all your love and support. Please comment, like, and share. All right, and Happy New Year, you guys. Love you. Peace and blessings.